there, Kitty friends. It's me, Cutie Beth, and welcome to my vlog. For today's vlog, Kitty friends, is we have another tutorial video. This time, I'm gonna be teaching you how to put music on your Facebook profile account. But before we start, if bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa panibagong videos ko. Okay, let's start, Kitty friends. First, let's go to your Facebook account. Open mo lang siya. And then, click mo lang to. And then, go to your profile. So, as you can see, Kitty friends, wala kang nakikita music or nakapin dito. So, i-view as natin. As you can see, Kitty friends, wala pang any music dito sa Facebook profile account ko. So, let's go down or scroll down mo lang siya. Hanapin mo yung music and click mo lang yan. Tapos, click mo lang tong plus sign or add. And then, click search. And, i-type mo lang yung song na gusto mo. Ayan. So, Moments We Live For yung gusto kong ilagay. So, pwede mo siyang i-play dito para mapakinggan mo kung yun ba yung song na gusto mo. So, i-play muna natin siya para mapakinggan natin. Ayan. So, na-play ko na siya. So, tama naman siya. So, i-click mo lang yung song na yan. Tapos, go back ka. As you can see, andito na siya, Moments We Live For. So, next, i-click mo lang tong 3 dots sa right side. And then, click mo tong pin profile. Ayan, song has been pinned. So, back tayo. And then, let's check. Ayan na siya, Kitty friends. Nakalagay na siya, Moments We Live For. So, pwede mo siyang i-play. Click mo lang. So, ayan na. As you can see, andito na siya sa profile ko. So, i-view as ulit natin. View as. So, ayan na. Nasa profile mo na siya. Kahit public, makikita yan. And yun guys, madali lang siyang gawin. So, kung gusto mo naman siyang tanggalin, ganun lang din, same procedure. I-click mo lang tong 3 dots sa right side. And then, unpin from profile. So, ayan, natanggal na natin siya. 'Di ba? Napakadali lang. So, ayun, ganun lang, Kitty friends. So, napakadali lang niyang gawin at sundan. So, sana may natutunan na naman kayo sa panibagong tutorial videos na to. And thank you, Kitty friends, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updated vlogs and videos. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep safe all. Bye-bye.